Industrial scales, your ultimate guide to precision and durability in weighing. Industry scales underpin critical processes across manufacturing, logistics, and commerce, demanding precision and durability. Here, you'll learn how to choose the right scale for your sector, understand tech features, and maintain scale performance for operational excellence. The selection of the right industrial scale hinges on multiple factors, including the environment it will be used in, necessary compliance with legal for trade standards, and the technological features that enhance performance. For the food industry, washdown scales often feature IP ratings for ingress protection, allowing for cleaning without damaging internal components. Industrial scales come in various sizes and capacities, from small bench scales for labs to large truck scales for heavy vehicles, demonstrating the need to align scale size and capacity with the demands of the application. Buying a scale capable of passing NTEP testing, even if not immediately needed for commercial weighing, ensures accuracy and trust in the scale's measurements. For instance, Mettler Toledo provides industrial weighing products and services through direct channels, partnerships with OEMs, system integrators, SIS, and system partners, SYs. There are various leading manufacturers contributing to the industrial scale market. Ricelake, for example, is acknowledged for its premier standing in the industry as a provider of industrial scales. Another key players are O-House, Intelligent Weighing, Atom Equipment, A&D Weighing. Each offers a variety of reliable scales suitable for different industries, ensuring accurate weighing through a precise weighing process. Commercial retail scales, also known as commercial scales, facilitate transactions by calculating costs of goods based on weight, often featuring label printing for detailed purchase information and customer-facing displays for transparency. Maintenance and troubleshooting tips. To troubleshoot common display issues, check power supply connections, including the AC adapter, and harnesses for blank displays. Run internal diagnostics for unchanging weight displays and missing information. Ensure correct communication cables and terminal connections for serial or network problems, and address keypad malfunctions by checking discrete inputs and replacing failed keys. What factors should I consider when selecting an industrial scale for my business? When selecting an industrial scale for your business, consider factors such as size, capacity, accuracy, and environmental conditions for the best suited choice.